Miss Shannon here, and I'm so excited for you to join me today. We're going to do some dancing, we're going to do some hip hop and tap and jazz, all kinds of dancing styles today, as well as some singing and drama and some acting. All these fun things are all in the one class. So the first thing we're going to do is get ready and shake out all those sillies. Are you ready? Let's do it. Shake out those sillies. That's it.
Let's shake out.
Big jump, shake everything. Shake it. Shake your legs. Shake your head. Shake your arms. Excellent. And wiggle like a worm. You got it. All right, let's nod our naughties out. Let's go. Good job. And wiggle like a worm. Excellent. What are we going to do next? Let's do some big loud claps. Go, really big claps. Excellent, everybody. How loud are your claps? I hope they're super loud. That's it. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see those jumps. Hands on hips for balance. Good job. Jump. You can even jump in a circle if you want to. And wiggle our wobbles away. Good job, everybody. Oh my goodness. Are you tired? Ooh. Yawn. Can you yawn really loud with me? Ready? Yawn. And go to sleep. Yawn. Awesome. And go to sleep. Wiggle our wobbles away. Now go crazy. Shake. That's it. Shake those legs. Shake those arms. Shake your head. Are you ready to freeze? Wiggle like a worm and freeze. Good job, everyone. Excellent. Now, let's keep warming up those bodies together. We're going to do some jazz moves. Let me see some big pushes down. Excellent. Good job, everyone. Now up to the sky. Go. You got it. Can we do down to the ground again? Really big muscles. Well done, everybody. And now push the roof away with those beautiful muscles. Ooh. Excellent. Now everybody's going to roll their arms. How fast can you go? Can you go really, really fast? You got it. Let's slow right down. Can you go really slow? Excellent. And go really, really fast. I love it. How about super slow? Oh, that's so slow. Go really, really fast. Because you guys are so clever, let's put our heels together. That's it. You got it. Everybody, let's jump our feet apart. Whoop, and feet together. And apart. Excellent. And together. Let's go even faster. You got it. Let's do the arms as well. My strong dancing arms. Beautiful work, everybody. Does anybody know what shape this is? It's a star shape. That's right. Who can do some star twists with me? Good job. Excellent. Now reach all the way up to the sky and sing, don't bend knees. Can you do that with me? Excellent. Stretch those hands up. Then shout, don't bend knees. Go. Don't bend knees. That's right. You told them. So keep them nice and straight. Excellent. And reach up all the way to the sky. That's beautiful. And go down. Excellent. All right, let's see some big marches. Get those knees up nice and high. Good job, everybody. Well done. All righty. From here, we're going to do some hip-hop moves. So, can you put your feet nice and wide? That's it. Now we're going to take our arms and do some really big hammer hits. Go. You got it. Excellent job, everyone. And swing and pull. That's it. It's like swinging two arms and pull like a bow and arrow. You got it, guys. Well done. How about take this hand and brush your shoulder? Good. And the other side. Let's go. Well done, everybody. Now for a trickier one, just for a challenge. 2 jump, freeze. 2 jump, freeze. You got it. Keep going. Freeze and. Are you punching those arms out really strong? I bet you are. Good job. And jump. Awesome. 2 stamps, 2 claps. Let's go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Step. Put your hands on your hips just to get them out of the way while we do our stomps. Oh my goodness, I bet you're doing a really great job. Awesome. From here, can you balance up on your tippy toes? Can you bend your knees? But don't let your heels go down. Keep them up nice and high. And stretch your legs up. You can reach out to the side for balance or put them on your hips. Squeeze those knees together. You got it. This is how a tapper starts. So we're going to make some loud beep, 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 beep noises. Let me hear you. Are you making a loud noise with your tippy toes? See how I'm staying up high? Excellent. Let's do a spin together. Ready? Go. Spin, 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 spin. Well done. Can you do some little taps around? That's it. With your toe tapping. Good job. I love that, guys. You're doing a great job there. I see. How about, while we're waiting for the next track to come on, show me those toe taps. Like you're waiting for the bus. Good job. How about the other side? Go. Tap. Well done. Alrighty, guys. Let's sit down together. And you might want to go and get, let's see, what can we go and get today? How about if you've got some teddies at home, you could go and grab them right now. We'll bring them over and they're going to do some stretching with us. Let's see, I've got some over here. Oh, this is a cool teddy. I hope you've got your favourite one. Let's sit down all together. Perfect, and we're going to put our toes together so maybe they can sit in the middle of our feet. We can hold them together with our toes. That's it. Now we're going to do some beautiful stretches all the way down. Can you get your nose down on your toes? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ew. Who's got stinky toes? I do. My toes smell like popcorn. What do your toes smell like? Oh, what about, let's go again and see if we can think of something else. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Who's got stinky toes now? My toes smell like stinky cheese. Ew. What about your toes? What do they smell like? I bet you got some really stinky toes with all this dancing we've been doing. So now we're going to take our teddy bear out, give him a cuddle, and then cuddle our own knees. Excellent. Push your feet out in front, and maybe he can sit right in the middle. He can sit on our toes, wherever you want to put him, and then reach really high up. We're going to pick up our teddy bear and put him in the sky, and then you're going to tap him on your toes. 1. Good job. Tap those teddy bears. Excellent. And make sure you give your legs a wiggle, 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 wiggle. You got it. How about let's go really high? Are you ready to go down? 1, 2, and 3. We're going to hold it. Hold the teddy bear on your tippy toes and shake them out. Good job, everybody. Let's go one more time down. We go 1, 2, 3. Oh, well done. How about, let's put our teddy bear down here. We can hold on to him and he can come swimming with us. Can you kick your feet? That's it. Good job, everybody. And we're going to reach this one up. Can you reach this one all the way to your back? Nice stretching there. Excellent. This one stays on the ground. And then we go to the other side. Good job, everybody. Perfect. One foot on the ground, one foot up nice and high. Can you do both feet? Uh-oh. That's a tricky one, I know. All right. This time we're going to do some acting. And I need to make sure that we use our faces just like we would on stage. Whenever we do dancing, we like to use smiling faces and cranky faces and all sorts of faces to help tell the story. So can you join me in my dancing face song, our dancing faces, and make sure we do our biggest smile on this part? I know you got it. Let's do it together. We got it. Let's do it. Are you ready?
You can walk,
that's it, and talk.
you can dance and sing.
Dance and sing. Who's got some roly-polies?
in a rose.
Good job.
You can swim.
Who can swim with me?
You can fly.
Up and fly. Let's see those dancing faces.
Face.
All right, let's see those funny faces. What do we do?
Your nose.
Oh,
Blink your eyes.
blink, 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 blink.
Blink your eyebrows. And look surprised. Wriggle your mouth. Make a funny sound. Poke out your tongue. And move it around.
Good job. Show me your dancing faces with a big smile.
Ruffle your hair.
Ruffle your hair.
Pop your cheeks. Pull your ears. Click your teeth. Eyebrows up.
Whoop.
Eyebrows down. Make a smile. Make a frown.
Oh, let me see those dancing faces.
Dancing face. Dancing face. Dancing face. Dancing face. Dancing face.
Excellent. All right, everybody. What we're going to do now, if you'd like to have a quick little drink, you can do that. But bring some things back with you, like you can bring some pillows and some books and all sorts of things, because we're going to make a little obstacle course. So I'll go get my things ready. You grab what you can around the house, and I'll see you back here. Alrighty, I hope you had a chance to go grab a quick drink and you're all refreshed and ready to go. How about those things that you brought with you? Did you bring some pillows and some teddy bears and all sorts of things that we can make an obstacle course with? Like, for example, I use these cones, but you could use teddy bears or you could use books, whatever you wanted to go around them. And then how about here, you could either use hula hoops, or you might have lots of different things, or even a bunch of sticks you could do. And if you're outside, you can even use some chalk on the floor. And then these ones here, because we're going to jump over them, whatever we're going to use should be probably soft. So what we want to do is jumping over them. In case we're too short or we don't quite make it all the way over, we want whatever it is to be soft. So maybe a pillow, like something from the lounge, that would be perfect. But what we're going to do here is we're going to create some animals. So the first thing we're going to do is come all the way back here, and we're going to do some big dolphin jumps. These things are going to help us with our strength and our coordination and all kinds of fun stuff, but mostly it's just a whole lot of fun to be an animal. Now, dolphins jump with their feet together. Well, they don't have feet, but they're feet together. That's it, and then dive with your nose over. You got it. Now this one, we're going to try and be a giraffe. So we're going to work on really strong legs, up on our tippy toes, and don't forget to eat all the leaves at the tops of the trees. Good job, and we can walk in the gaps of this one. Beautiful job, everybody. you're too clever. Let's go again. Feet together, hands together, and jump. Good job. Let's try another one. Really big jump. Whoa. You got it. And again. Well done. All right, let's do our giraffe. Are you balancing up on your tippy toes? Good job. Don't forget to eat those leaves. Wow, that's so nice and strong. Good job, everybody. And now we're going to do our horses. On your toe. Hold on to those reins. Let's go. Wow, are you tapping those feet together as you do your gallops? Good job. Let's go again. I think we have time for at least one more time. Let's see. Feet together, hands together. Good job. And again. Let's go. Whoa, those are huge dolphin jumps, everybody. And one more. Good job. All right, it's giraffe time. Stepping your toes all the way up. Reach for the leaves. Are you climbing them? Oh, you are. Clever dancers. I love that. All right, on your toe. Hold on to your reins and up you go. Good job. Beautiful gallops. Guess what? I think we have time just for one more turn. Oh, that's perfect. Let's go, guys. Beautiful dolphins. Let's go again. Whoa. Are you diving out of the sea? Good job. And then let's do our big stepping giraffe. Well done. Great balancing. I think we've got the hang of it now. And gallop with it. Gallop, gallop, gallop. Awesome. Hey, can you hear that marching? Oh my goodness, I know what that is. That's the ants marching in. So, we're going to march all the way around our obstacle course and we're going to pick up everything that we put down. That's it, big marches. You got it, everybody. This is a great way to clean up. If you're told to clean up your room, it's a lot more fun to do it to this song. All right. Picking it up, that's it. Good job. Oh my goodness. So much fun. Excellent. Whew. We've got so much to carry. Can you manage to carry all those things? Good job. You guys are so clever. All right, let's get the last of it. And now we're going to get another one. Oh my goodness, well done everybody. Let's put down these. Right there, so they're out of our way. Because what we're going to do next is a game. I love games. So who knows how to freeze? I thought you might. What we're going to do is play the freeze game. So whenever the music's going, we can dance. The minute it stops though, we have to freeze. You can freeze however you want to. All right, are you ready? Let's see some big claps. That's it. Let's make it really loud so we can hear exactly when we have to freeze. Tap on elbow. That's it. Tap your knee. Roll around and stomp your feet. Shake your butt from side to side. Turn around. Get ready to freeze. And freeze. With your fingers on one hand. Tap that foot. As you can. Shake it all around. Can you get down really low? Up and freeze down here with me. Ready to tap your hands? Let's go. Tap your hands on. That's it. Jump. Jump up high. Jump some more. Shake one leg. Whoa, can you balance? All right. Up nice and high. We can do. Oh, don't move. Don't move. Don't fall. Freeze. Good job. How about some music? More claps. Oh. Ah. job.
Lift one
What
arm
freaks
up
that
in
out?
the air, pretend you're sitting on a chair. Blink your eyes and nod your head. Now try to balance on one leg.
Oh, don't fall. Oh my goodness. Oh, you did so well. Big claps. Oh, freeze. Freeze. Good job.
Freeze,
Oh, big freezes.
freeze,
Freeze. Ah,
freeze,
freeze.
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 Turn
Yeah.
around, get ready to freeze.
Good job, everybody. Alrighty, I think you've had another drink. Quickly go get another drink, but also don't forget to get your dress ups. We can use capes, we can use tutus, you can use a magic wand, you can have a sword like Peter Pan, whatever you want to get. You go grab that so we can make it so much fun and dress up together. See you in a few minutes. Are you ready to have some more fun? I hope you grabbed as many dress-up things as you could. You could use anything you might have at home, anything to make it more fun. So you could use a cape, you could use, like I was saying, a sword if you're Peter Pan, or a magic wand if you're Tinkerbell. You could even wear a tutu, whatever you might have, just to make it even more fun to have together. Alright, so now we're going to do some ballet, so I hope you can put your ballet feet on. Should we make a little spell and turn them into a mermaid tail? That's right. Alright, let's see how we do ballet together. Can you fly your arms up and down? That's it, and go up on your toes. Good job. Up again. And down. Now we're going to point our toe. Beautiful. And going up really tall and strong, that's it. Big jumps, making sure we're landing back in our mermaid tail, that's right. Or a shark fin. Let's go again. And down. Good. Up. And down. Excellent. Point those toes. Well done. And rising all the way up and off you go. And jumping, making sure we're landing straight back where our feet were. Oh my goodness, that was excellent. Now we're going to do some beautiful things that we do in ballet. Some really cool things too. So what we're going to start with, our pliés. Can you put your arms out like they're following your knees? That's it. Because we've got to make a big diamond. Keep doing your pliés with me and see if you can make a big diamond in your knees. Excellent, that looks awesome, because we want to pretend that we let all the fishies through, because today we're under the sea, and then close it so no sharks can come in. That's it. Open them out so all fishies can swim through, and close them. Excellent. Now when you do your plie this time, see if you can keep your nose above the water as well as make a big diamond with your knees. Oh my goodness, you are so clever. I love it. And again. Wonderful. Now we're going to do some jumps. Are you ready to jump really, really high with me? We've got to land very softly though. All right, let's go. You got it. Excellent. How about we get our fairy claps? Can you hear your fairy claps? That's perfect. All right, let's do really loud elephant jumps. Let me see. No, I'm just kidding. Let's do them really soft. Are you ready? That's it. Keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you do 8 jumps with me? You did. Excellent. Let's see those fairy claps again. Can you hear them clapping? Good job. All right, let's do it. And another 8 more jumps. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness, you are awesome. Now that our legs are getting very warm and all stretched out, we're going to bring our arms out to the side in second position. Can you say second position? Excellent. Really watch our knees because they can't bend. Do you want to tell them not to bend again? All right, let's do it. Don't bend knees. Should we do it together? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Don't bend knees. That's right. Let's go down and stretching out those legs, reaching forward, and we're going to skip again. This time, what should we catch? I think we should catch some seahorse. All right, let's go down. Scooping up all the seahorse, rolling them up, throw them up in the sky, and catch them. Excellent, now let them swim away. Gorgeous. How about how about a crab? I thought you might like that one. Let's go down. And rolling it up. Good job. Throw them up in the sky and catch them. Let them swim away. Alrighty, now we're going to do some points. So can you slide your toe out, just your big toe touching? We don't want to squish the banana, just the big toe right on the top. Let's do a blue line. And then we're going to slide them in. That's it. And let's go again. Do the other one. Sliding out for a pink one. Oh, you're so clever. And rub out that pink line. You got it. And do it again. Well done. Let's see if we can kid under the seesaw while we're doing this. And slide it in. You got it. And again. What colour this time? A yellow one. And rub out that yellow line. That's it. This time we're going to rub our blue line again. Let's go. And how about a rainbow one? Draw a rainbow line and scrub it out. I think all our pencils are going to be blunt. How about we put one out in front, keeping this leg nice and straight. Twist, twist, twist all the way from your hip. That's it. Working on our turnout. Good job. And then let's do the other foot. Turning it out. That's it. Moving the leg from up all the way up here, in and out. Good job. Now that it's sharp again, let's do little toe taps. These are called PKs. Can you say PK with me? 1, 2, 3. PK! Good job. And the other side. Let's see our beautiful PKs. Little soft touching touch. We don't want to make it too hard. Nice and soft, that's right. Excellent. And we're going to bring that one in. Awesome, guys. So now, let's have a seat down together. We're going to do some stretching and stuff on the ground. So let's see. Bring your toes out in front. You got it. All right. Reaching up and touch your toes again. Good job. One more time. Reaching forward. Well done. All right. Cross your legs with me and we're going to sing together. Do you think you can sing with me today in a really loud voice? Oh, I bet you can. This song you may recognize, so make sure you sing it at the tops of your lungs, all right? Ready? Let's do it together. Steady.
Now, open your hands and shut your hands. Give a little clap.
Good job, everybody. Nice loud voices. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them, put them on your lap. Excellent, are you ready to creep those creepy crawly spider fingers? That's it, right up to your chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in. Well done, everybody.
Let's try again.
Let's go again. Open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap. Well done. Are you singing super loud for me? Bet you are. On your lap. Alright, creepy crawly spider fingers. Uh-oh. Creep them right up to your chin. Open up your little mouth. But do not put them in. Give yourself a huge round of applause, everybody. That was absolutely amazing. Right now, we're going to jump up and get some of those things that we got before. So let's put our magic wands down over here, or our swords, whatever you may have. And we're going to get, if you've got hula hoops, that would be awesome. Well, you can use a hula hoop, or you can use a skipping rope. You can make a circle out of a skipping rope. Anything that you can kind of jump over and jump into. That's right. So, let's see. Have we got all of these things spread out? Excellent. Oh, I think we are doing good today. Now, what we're going to do from here, we're going to start with some beautiful ballet runs. Can you run all the way around, nice and strong, up on our tippy toes. Let's go. Run really high, that's it. Oh my goodness, that is a great job you're doing. How about those belly runs? Are you as high as you can be on your toes? Good job. Now we're going to do a big horsey gallop. Go whoop! Excellent, and again. Whoop! That's it, one foot in the other one. Good job, and how about we go again? Ready? Whoop! And the next one. And again, big jumps. You're doing awesome. How about right now we can do a hop in this one? Can you hop on one foot? That's it, making sure that we keep our foot right next to our knee. That's what dancers do. Jump, jump, jump. Well done. How about we hop on the other leg? Let's go to this one. And hop, hop, hop. You got it. Well done. Oh, I think it's time to do some side gallops. So you're going to tap your feet together. That's it. Well done. How are we going? Are you going okay? I thought you might. Alright, this time, let's do some high knees. Put your hands out in front. We're going to run and we're going to try and tap our knees all the way up to our hands. Well, we don't want to bring our hands down. That's cheating. Let's go. Whoa, that's it. Good high knees, everybody. Alright, how about, what else can we do? Can we do a big jump? Do you think I can make it? Oh no. 1, 2 feet together, big jump. I made it. How about we go again? Yeah. Awesome. How are you going? Are you making it to your next one? Good job. Let's go again. Well done. All right, one more. Good job. Do you think you can spin in a circle here? Well done. How about let's go to the next one? Can you spin in a circle now here? Good job. How about another one? Are we starting to get dizzy? If you are, don't do any more turns. You can just do your jumping. Excellent. All right. Now, how about what else can we do? Can we run all the way around? But we're going to kick all the way up at the back. That's it. Kick, kick, kick. Good job, everybody. I can see how hard you're working. Oh my goodness. I think you guys deserve another quick little break. If you want to grab a drink, do that, and then I'll see you back here in a second. But make sure this time, can you bring either some flowers or little pom-poms, because we're going to make a very enchanted garden together. See you in a second. Alrighty, did you manage to go and get some things that we can make an enchanted garden with? Maybe some flowers from the garden, but don't pick too many. But some flowers or some pom-poms or anything that you can think of with your imagination that you could turn into an enchanted fairy garden. I have some flowers over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put these all around and make a fairy garden together. And we're going to grow some flowers. So follow me and put your flowers all the way around the garden. Oh, that's perfect. How many more flowers can you put out? Oh, so many pretty flowers. Have you got lots of flowers in your garden? Oh, that is wonderful. Oh, one more, lucky one over there. All right, come with me, girls and boys. We're going to grow some flowers. Are you ready? We're going to put our basket down here. And let's grow some flowers together. Are you ready? Let's see, what do we need to grow flowers? Can you tell me what we need to grow flowers? I can't even think. That's right, I heard someone say it. We need seeds. We need seeds for flowers. So let's see, we've got seeds. And what else? What else? We need water, that's right. Excellent, we need water. And we need dirt. Definitely we need dirt to put the seeds in. And what else do we need? How about the sun? That's a good idea. The sun helps the flowers grow, don't they? That's perfect. And I think we're doing a pretty good job so far. So we had seeds. What else did we have? Water. We had dirt. And we had the sun. Oh, you know what? We can't plant anything without a shovel. So how about we get one of those too? All right, let's grab our shovel. And we're going to dig a big, beautiful hole. That's it. Once your hole is ready, let's put the seeds on the inside. Put your seeds in. Can you hear those seeds pittering, pattering onto the ground? Excellent. And let's get the dirt. Can you put the dirt over the top? That's right. And pat it down. Excellent. Now we've got to get our watering can and all that water we talked about. Excellent. And how about what next? Oh, that's right. The sun's going to come out. Well done. How about we grow up like a beautiful big flower? Really nice and strong, reaching up to the sun. Are you right up on your tippy toes? That way you can reach really tall. Oh, that breeze is so nice blowing us around. Oh, excellent. Uh-oh, it's getting a bit crazy. Oh dear. Oh no, we fell down. Good job. How about we do some more flowers? What else do you remember what we needed? That's right, we've got to work on our memory so as dancers we can remember our dance. What did we do first? That's right, we got our shovel and we dug a big hole. You got it. Dig it really big this time because we want to make sure we put lots of seeds in. That's right, seeds are next. Get all the seeds and put them in. Wonderful. Now we're going to grab all the dirt, scoop up all the dirt and put it on the top. You guys are such good rememberers. Excellent. How about we pat it down? Do you remember what we use next? You got it. It's our watering can. We have to water the flowers. Well done. And that will make them grow up really, really big and tall. How about the sun now? Excellent. All right, let's grow up really tall. Oh, reach all the way up. This time we're so strong, we can stay right up high reaching for the sun. That's it. Hey everybody, if you've got a basket nearby, can you pick it up for me? Because we're going to go walk around our beautiful garden that we made. That's it. Can you step toes first? Just like a ballerina steps. Beautiful. Is that a flower? Is that one of our flowers we grew? Pick it up and give it a big smell. Oh, that smells so great. How about we put that one in? Oh, why don't we put it in our basket? We can keep this one. How about this time? Can you go and we're going to run and jump over the flowers. Oh, did you jump over that one? Uh-oh, there's a puddle here we're going to jump over. Wow, good job. And what about, I think we've got to jump over this rainbow in our garden. Let's go. Oh, beautiful jumps. Let's see if we can keep doing some big jumps. You can jump over whatever you like. It could be a puddle. It could be a rainbow. I love rainbows. How about some, I know, what if there was a sneaky frog in our garden? Jump over the frog. Jump. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. This time we're going to go and hide in the garden. Can you hide? Find somewhere to hide behind a flower, balance on one leg and cover your eyes. Is that too tricky? All right, let's pick up this flower. Oh, give it a beautiful smell and pop it in your basket. You got it. What else can we find today? Can you do some skips for me in our garden? Oh, that is beautiful skipping. Well done, everybody. All right, let's see what treasures we can find. What's over there? Do you see a butterfly? I see a butterfly. Let's give these job. All right, what else can we find in our garden today? How about a hidden treasure? Where's the treasure? Can you see it? Where's our treasure? I don't see it. Is it under there? Oh, where's my treasure? I know I put it around here somewhere. I think I found it. Let's go. Oh, there's my treasure. I have got all my treasure in my pocket. Let's get some more treasure. And pop it in your pocket. Well done. All right, I see another flower. Let's give it a beautiful big smell. Does it smell good? Awesome, everyone. How about we get all these flowers? There's so many beautiful flowers. Let's make a big bunch of flowers. Good job. Have you got all the flowers? Oh, I love it. Let's put all of these in our basket. Oh, we've got so many flowers today. Have you got them all? All right, time to do our dance together. Can you catch this falling star over here and put it back in your pocket? Good job. How about we catch a falling star over here? What? That's it. Let's turn it up so nice and loud so we can hear. That's right. Good job. And a big cuddle. That's it. Jump over the rainbow. Catch a falling star. Now I can hear it so loud. Can you hear it really loud? Good job. Catch a star over here. Oh, and put it in your pocket. Where's your rainy fingers? Good job, everybody. How about those flying arms? Let's fly through the garden and tap your shoulders. Well done, everybody. Oh my goodness, give yourself a big cuddle. Jump over a rainbow. Whoa, and again. Jump. And catch a falling star over here. Whoa. I nearly fell then. Did you see? Can you reach really far like me? Stretch your leg out. And you got it. Where's your rainy fingers? Good job. And up we go. And tap your shoulders. Can you show me a beautiful star? A really sparkly one. Oh no, give yourself a cuddle. And jump over a rainbow. Oh, that was excellent. Let's go over here. Very well done. And let's go over this side. Catch it. Oh. Save it. Where's your rainy fingers? Well done. That's it. Reach those arms and tap your shoulders. Reach up. Oh, that's a gorgeous star. And cuddle. Catch a really big star over this way. Where's those beautiful sparkles? Get them up into the sky. Catch it. Oh my goodness. Our leg's getting higher and higher. We're too clever. We're getting great at balancing. That's it. Excellent. Now let's sit down. One knee. Good job. All right, rolling up your arms. Go to sleep. Are you sleeping? Not anymore. We want to
If you're
dance.
happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then you really ought to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Oh gosh, let's shout hooray. Are you ready?
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then you really ought to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
Hooray! Oh my goodness, you guys did such a great job today. Did you have as much fun as I did? Oh, I bet you did. We had such a good time in our garden and learning all these cool new things that we could do. How about you guys, you can watch this video as many times as you'd like. Aren't you lucky? We could spend time together every single day. Oh, I would love that. I hope to see you all soon. Thank you so much for watching me today. All right, can we do a step, a curtsy, and a bow for our boys? So step and point your toe and curtsy. That's it. Step and curtsy. Excellent. And a big bow for our boys. Excellent. And the other side. Well done, everybody. I can't